was like a new experience for me. And singing for films, I've always wanted to do that, but I was a bit shocked, a bit hesitant. And my first thought was, what are the lyrics of the song conveying? Whether it will suit me, my way of singing, my approach to music, whatever. And when I heard the lyrics, I was really so happy to say yes, because it is just a completely comical, satirical, cynical approach and a self-criticism of a young youth. So I thought it was almost like a modern version of a Tattuva Padal, as we say in Tamil. So I was very happy to say yes. And the team, very enthusiastic. Vivek, the director, Vivek, the music director, and Shri Vidya, and all the rest of the team in Hyderabad. I got to speak to Anil. They were all so infectiously passionate about what they were doing. So I just got dragged into it with all my will and desire to be part of this wonderful project. Both Vivek Sagar, the music director, and Vivek Atreya, the director, they put me at ease, and they said that they had sort of followed my music, followed my performances, and they felt that I would be able to do justice to the song. So I realized that this was a very deliberate intent on their part to approach me. So that gave me confidence. I said, okay, they know what they are getting into, and they won't be surprised by my complete newness to the whole process. And so they said, you just sing as you usually sing in your concerts, with a lot of gusto and energy, the way you sing Amma, then we'll take it up from there. So they gave me freedom to just be myself, and that encouraged me to participate in this. Yeah, and Telugu is almost like my second language, though I don't speak it, because all compositions, Tyagaraja, Bhadrachala, Ramadasa, Annamaya, I've been singing all of them all my life, and they're all in most beautiful Telugu. So I knew that the language really wouldn't be a problem. But when I actually got to sing the song, I realized that every the hrisva and the dirgha and the pronunciation has to be so clearly enunciated, especially in the medium of film music. So that was a very huge learning experience for me. I enjoyed it. I think, what we do is usually we say that our seniors and our ancestors were very rigid, they followed the tradition, they wouldn't deviate. We say that, but actually if you look at them, they have all experimented. For example, right from Tyagaraja, he experimented and created new forms, new ragas. If you take singers, the great singers of the past, M.S. Subbulakshmi Amma sang in films, G.N. Balasubramaniam sir sang in films, and even in the north, Amir Khan Saab, Bade Ghulam Ali Khan sang. I think even Ghantasala ji from Andhra Pradesh in Telugu, the then Andhra Pradesh, he sang classical, but he also sang for films, and later became so well known in films. So the real great artists always saw music as good music or not so good music, but they never really framed music into different tight compartments and so on. I don't think they did it. And even in this generation, there have been so many illustrious artists who have sung. But I don't know that this trend is not very prevalent today. But for me, I'm very happy to sing in films. And if I get opportunities to sing songs that suit me, I would be most happy to participate. Very exciting. Yeah, I'm myself surprised at my ability to just stay on it for more than 12 hours. I thought, I'm used to singing for 3.5 hours at a stretch because I do live concerts. But I never knew that I could stretch myself so much. I think it's the energy that I get from all of you young folks. You are so full of energy, and creativity, it's infectious. So I should thank you guys for enabling me to be up and at it for 12 hours and more. Yeah, so this is for the film Ante Sundaraniki. The entire film is based on very simple crises that we face in our lives. Each one of us has so many tragico-comic situations that we have to overcome in our lives. And this is a wonderful film that will entertain you, I am sure. I'm so happy to be part of it. And please go and catch this film. You will love the story. You will love the way the actors have done a brilliant job, the music, everything about this film. That the little that I know about it really enthuses me so much. You should go and catch it.